G'day guys, this is Powerslide and today we are going to see the top 3 driving roads in Budapest, Hungary. But before we do, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be alerted when we make a new upload. And now, let's get into it. So in third position, we have a great road, or I would say corner combination. So you will see the onboard footage soon, don't worry, but I'm gonna tell you now how to get there first. So you're going out from Budapest on the M7 motorway, which is like a famous motorway going towards Lake Balaton. So you're going on that way, and the first turn you can take to the right to Erd, the first city on M7, and you take that and you stay in the inside lane, and there's this lefty and then another left, sharp left, going under the bridge, and then a right, and then another kind of left-right combination, and it's so speedy and I love it. It's great to drive on it. The tarmac is great. You can find some good grip over there and have some fun there. I love it. So that's my third position on the list. Check it out. Our second road on the list is Szép Juhászné út, and this is a beautiful road in the second district of Budapest, which is not so far from the downtown obviously, and this is just beautiful, I have to say. From my background, as you can see, we are cruising next to these beautiful trees, beautiful environment, I have to say, in the middle of the forest. And yeah, the tarmac is awesome, I have to say. No potholes, which is unusual in Budapest, Hungary. So yeah, it's just an awesome road, a nice chill ride. You don't need to do anything crazy because the traffic is quite big, as you might have guessed it from the footage. But yeah, it's just unbelievable. I love to ride these roads. My father showed me this road, and it was a really good one, I have to say. I love to do it sometimes, just to have a little bit of free time, you know, just to drive and chill, enjoy this beautiful road. And you have these little curbs on the, let's say, apexes on the corners as well, in the hairpins and everything. You can touch them a little, enjoy the little sporty driving, and yeah, just look at it. It's awesome. So yeah, it's a great road, and yeah, that was the second one on the list. So the number 1 pick on the list is Edvi Illés. Now, for long-time Powerslide fans, it might be familiar because we always do the exterior shots and the moving shots on the videos on this road, and this is my favorite. This is near Farkasréti temető and like 100 meters away from where I live, and it's just amazing, I have to say. Super chilled. The tarmac is pretty okay, although you have to be patient because there's traffic on the other direction as well, so you need to be careful, but you can have a good chill drive. Nothing major, and yeah, it's just awesome, I have to say, just to get a little moment for yourself and enjoy the drive. And also there's a good hairpin coming up now actually, where you can do a bit of drifting in the winter, or if you have money for tires, then in the summer too. But you need to be careful because there's a massive wall on the outside of that, and that can be expensive if you mess it up. So that's the first pick, and that's the number 1. So guys, that was it for today. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be alerted when we make a new upload. So see you next time. Bye.